not installing on 25H2, 24H2, including all possible error codes. 0x8.f and 0922x, 0x8.703, 0x8.24A205, 0x8.f0988, 0x8.700D, 0x8240023, 0x8.73701, 0x8.f081F. Installation failed. This is the most complete and accurate fix list for KB5070311. Header Fix 1. Reset Windows Update Components. Most effective. This solves 80% of update failures. 1. Open command as administrator. Run these commands one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. Now delete corrupted update cache. You can see the code in our conversation history. Start services again. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. Try installing KB5070311 again. Header Fix 2. Run SFC DISM. Fix corrupt system files. Open command as admin and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then run DISM. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. Fix 3. Install KB5070311 manually. Works even if Windows Update fails. 1. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog. 2. Search KB507031113. Download the version that matches your build. Windows 11 25H2, Windows 11 24H2, Windows 23H2, 23H2. 4. Install manually. This bypasses Windows Update errors like 0x8f0922, 0x824A205, 0x8f988073701. Fix 4. Free up system reserved partition space. Fix for 0x8f922. The update can install if the EFI system partition is full. Fix 1. Download Minitool Partition Wizard free. 2. Increase EFI system partition to 600 megabytes or more. 3. Reboot. 4. Install update again. This is the official fix for error 0x8f0922. Fix 5. Disable third-party antivirus, VPN, firewall. Turn off Kaspersky, Avast, Bitdefender, Malwarebytes, VPN, Nord, Express, Proton, etc. These cause Windows Update failure. 0x8224A205, 0SF09. Fix 6. Turn off metered connection and enable required services. 1. Disable metered connection. Settings, network properties, turn off metered connection. 2. Enable update services. Open services.msc and set these to automatic, Windows Update, bits, cryptographic services, Windows Installer, restart PC. Fix 7. Clear Windows Update temporary files. Go to Settings, System, Storage, Temporary Files. Select and delete Windows Update Cleanup, Delivery Optimization, Temp Files, Previous Updates, then restart. Fix 8. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, Windows Update, Run. If it repairs potential Windows Update database error, then retry installation. Fix 9. Update drivers. Fix for 0x800703. This error means Windows is trying to install an older driver. Fix 1. Open Device Manager. 2. Update GPU, Wi-Fi, Intel, AMD, or Realtek drivers. 3. Restart PC. Reinstall KB5070311. Fix 10. Repair Windows image with in-place upgrade. Final fix. If nothing works, do this. 1. Download Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft. 2. Run setup.exe. 3. Select Keep Files and Apps. 4. Let it repair Windows. 5. Try KB5070311 again. This fixes 08800F0988, 070D, 0x8733701, 081F. Want me